Hello friends, my name is Amit Jha and today we are going to learn how to make a bootable pen drive using CMD. There are some simple and easy steps are being used in this whole process. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. So the first thing that we need to do is go to search bar and type CMD. Once you type CMD, you will see there is an option of command prompt. Click on it, choose run as administrator. Now the first command is disk part, so type disk part. And the next command that we have is list disk, so type list disk. Now the disk 1 is my flash drive, so type select disk 1. Now type clean. Now we will have to create the partition over here, so the command is create partition primary. Now I will have to select the partition which I have created, and the command is select partition 1. So type select partition 1. Now the next command that we have is active. So type active. Now our flash drive is ready for formatting. So type format fs equals to ntfs quick. Normally it takes 10 to 20 minutes to complete the formatting process, but if you will use quick, then it will take approx 10 to 20 seconds to complete this process. Now the next command that we have is assign, so type assign. Now the second last command that we have is exit, so type. Remember, we are exiting from disk part, not from command prompt. Now I will have to find out my ISO image of Windows 8.1, and here it is. Go there and just right click on it. You will get the option of mount. Now it is mounted. Now I will have to copy all the content of ISO image in my flash drive, and the command is xcopy. In this case, H is my mounted drive letter, so type H, then colon, then backward slash, asterisk, point, asterisk, forward slash, S, forward slash, E, forward slash, F, then type drive letter, which is I in this case, then colon, then backward slash. And the booting process is begin now. It takes approx 10 to 12 minutes to complete this process. Once the process will complete, you will get your bootable pen drive. Once again, if you are using Windows 7, then you will have to use a software to extract your ISO image. For that you can use daemon tools. And if you liked my video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any concern regarding the video, then you can leave your comment in the comment section. I will find out the solutions of your problems that you are having. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.